Hi guys, welcome to another video on Solo Stuff and Things. Today, oh my goodness, we are getting the kitchen remodeled. What? So today's demo day and I'm going to just show you the process along the way. Let's see what happens. It's going to be crazy. So my entire kitchen is now in my dining room. Oh boy. This is what the next 2 weeks will look like. But that's okay. It's gonna be amazing. Oh my gosh, can you believe it?
Any kind of screws we can. Every screw is a different type.
Do you think they remodeled this recently?
It looks like it's a little bit. They did it the reface.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looked like before they sell it.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
I think they did the reface. There you go. Are you unplugged?
Yeah.
Hold on. It's not working. Alright, ready?
Wow.
Heavy for a small size.
Right?
They gotta wait because it's all that MDF board. So they got the weight on it.
But it's not real wood, right?
No, it's MDF.
Yeah.
It's a press board.
Okay, yeah.
It's old.
Yeah. I guess it.
50 years of dust.
Yeah, exactly. Probably asbestos or something.
Don't say that. And it's asbestos is usually in the doors. They just paint the walls.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
good.
that's the
Good.
paint.
That's an old cabinet, huh?
That's an old building. I'm not worried about it.
Not funny.
You didn't touch it. I touched it.
Yeah, that's why I'm not worried.
Great.
Even the electrician makes me nervous with that. I'm like, oh.
I just laughed at him.
Definitely a rat or a mouse nest.
Yeah?
Yep.
A rat.
Might be old, but
Oh, God.
hopefully still not there.
Ugh.
You might be just leaving this house after the noise.
What is it?
A rat or a mice.
Would you hear him?
No.
He's gonna fall. He's gonna jump on you. So watch out.
Give me back. Is there? Let's get that sucker.
Oh, my goodness. It's all out. Well, so we can't find the breaker for this.
Yeah.
So weird.
They wired that up weird, I guess.
Yeah.
So we don't know where the breaker is. Maybe it's in the basement.
They'll be back tomorrow to
Yeah.
sort the electrical. That didn't take them as long as I thought it would.
I thought this was cool.
Oh gosh. Be careful.
I thought this was cool. This is like This is the kind of stuff my mom likes too.
Right?
This is the old counterweight for the original windows.
That's so funny.
Yeah. So it has a counterweight so that when you go to open the window, it's easier to open the window.
That's crazy.
Isn't that cool?
That is
They just
really
left
cool.
it in the wall.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the original plaster from 1923.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When the house was built.
Yep. When they took it, I don't know if you saw it or not, but there were like burgundy. It was
I
burgundy.
did. The
at
cabinets
one
were
point.
like burgundy color. Yeah. Saw that out there. That's crazy, right?
Yeah. Look at that plaster.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for y'all to see it. I can't wait for us to see it.
Yeah. So what are you gonna do on your channel? You're just gonna do an update when it's done, I guess, or as they're installing it. You gonna show the
Maybe.
install and then a finished
Yeah.
product.
I think
Cool.
that'd be fun. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today. Crazy different video. I want to know, what do you think my first meal should be in the brand new kitchen? So comment down below and let me know. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.